Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve our some MCQs of our subject pharmaceutical engineering of our topic mixing, filtration and drying. So let's start this session. Okay, wait a minute. So here our first MCQ is freeze drying is based on the principle of that is our sublimation. Okay, our next question is homogenizers are used for that is mixing. As we know, our homogenizers are used for mixing. Our next question is which of the following dryers is used when solvent need to be recovered? So uh, when we need to recover our solvent, so we need to use our vacuum dryer. Okay, let's move to our next question, that is our filter sheets made up of cellulose or filter membrane. Which filter sheets are made up of cellulose? They are our membrane filter. So here our answer is membrane filter. Our next question is how many times is fluidized bed dryer method faster than that of a tray dryer? So here our answer is 15 times. Let's move to our next question, that is biological products are dried by. Here our answer is lyophilizer. Okay, our next question is in solid mixing large scale continuous type of mixture is. So here our answer is zigzag blender is here our answer. Next question is indicate the example of pneumatic dryer. So here our answer is fluidized bed dryer. Let's move to our next question, that is the mechanism involved in mixing process include. So the mechanism involved in mixing process include bulk transport, molecular diffusion and lamellar mixing. So our mechanism involved what involved? It involved bulk transport, molecular diffusion and our lamellar mixing. Let's move to our next question, that is convective mixing is called as. So here our answer is macro mixing. Our next question is in fermenter the top portion left without broth is called our head space. So as its name suggests, what our question is, in fermenter the top portion left without broth is called. So as in our question we are given top portion, so our answer is head space. Okay, let's move to our next question, that is mixing of low viscosity fluid of less than 10 poise is an important mechanism for. Here our answer is turbulent mixing. Okay, our next question is the three roller in triple roller mill arranged in which of the following manner? here our answer is horizontally. Okay, so as our question is given, the three rollers in triple roller mill arranged in which of the following manner? So they are arranged in horizontally. Okay, our next question is, what is pore size of membrane filter? So this is a fact that you should learn. What the pore size of filter membrane is our 0.45 mu m. Okay, what our pore size of membrane filter? So I write it wrong, it is our 0.22 mu m. Okay, that you should learn. Sorry for mistake. Let's move to our next question. Filter candles are made of. So here our answer is filter candle is made up of our castle goher. Okay, our next question is, following equipment is not used for mixing of solid. So first we discuss about what type of solids, what type of our equipments are used in mixing of solids. So they are our tumbler mixture, double cone blender, and our air mixture, and our paddle mixture is not used as an equipment for mixing of solids. So here our answer is paddle mixture. Okay, that is not used for mixing of solid, and these three are used for mixing of solids, that are our tumbler mixture, double cone blender, and air mixture. Okay, our next question is, which of the following filters is used to filter slurries in pharmaceuticals? So here our answer is rotatory filter. Let's move to our next question, that is, all statements listed below are correct for positive mixture except they require energy. Okay, so as we know, our positive mixture are not required energy, and they are irreversible, they are suitable in nature, formed through diffusion process. But here in this option, we given they require energy. That is wrong, they don't require energy. Positive mixture are not required energy. Okay, let's move to our next question, that is, quantity of water present in the solid which exerts a vapor pressure equal to the vapor pressure of the atmosphere is surrounding it is known as our equilibrium moisture content. Our next question is, feed of suspension flows under pressure at a fairly high velocity across the filter membrane is called our cross flow filter. Let's move to our next question, that is, dryer used for the production of milk powder is our spray dryer. As we know, in the production of milk powder we use our spray dryer, so you have to learn this fact. Okay, what type of dryer is used for production of milk powder? That is our spray dryer. Okay, our next question is, lyophilization is another name of, as we know, lyophilization is another name of our freeze drying. So here our answer is freeze drying. Our next question is, blood plasma and blood serum preparations are dried by. So here our answer is freeze dryer. Our blood plasma and our blood plasma and blood serum preparations are dried by our freeze dryer. Our next question is filter press has following advantages except it is a continuous process. Okay, our filter press has some advantages that are it provide large surface area and filter media can be used repeatedly, high filtration pressure can be used here, and it is not a continuous process. Okay, our next question is which of the following produces intense shearing force and turbulence? Why? The used high speed rotors and the circulation of the material ensures rapid breakdown of the dispersed liquid into smaller globules. So here our answer is silverson mixture emulsifier. Okay, let's move to our next question, that is lyophilization is used for. So here our answer is drying. Our lyophilization is used for drying. Our next question is which of the following drying method is used in pharma industry for drying of soft gelatin capsule? So for drying of soft gelatin capsule we use vacuum drying. So here our answer is vacuum drying. Let's move to our next question, that is our 28th MCQs. So here our question is method for mixing potent drug powder with large volume of diluent is. Here our answer is geometric dilution. Okay, let's move to our next question, that is candle filters are. So our candle filters are manufactured in different grades of porosity and have been used for purification of water for drinking purpose. Okay, our next question is which of the following statement is not correct for a freeze dryer? So first we discuss about what statements are correct for freeze dryer. So they are our freeze dryer decomposition of product is minimized. So in our freeze dryer decomposition of product is minimized, product is amorphous and really soluble. It is useful for thermolabile substances. Okay, and our freeze dryer is not very fast process. Okay, our freeze dryer is not a very fast process. So here our wrong statement is very fast process. Okay, freeze dryer is not a very fast process, not a very fast process. Okay, our next question is the quantity of water that is easy or free to evaporate from the solid surface is our moisture content. The quantity of water that is easy or free to evaporate from the solid surface is free moisture. Okay, free moisture content. So what is our question said here? The quantity of water that is easy or free to evaporate from the solid surface. So first we take a solid, that this is a solid, and here some water drops are on the surface of our solid. Okay, these are our water drops. So the what is our question? The quantity of water drop that is easy or free to evaporate from the solid surface. So these water drops are our easily free from the solid surface. Okay, by heat or other. So this solid may be our cloth, which is our dry by our sun. Okay, so this is our sun, and this dry our cloth. Okay, so what happens, sun gives it heat and our cloth is dried, and the water molecule which are easily removed from the surface of solid surface, these are our free moisture content. So here our answer is free moisture content. Our next question is the most commonly used mixture for mixing of semi-solids. So here our answer is planetary motion mixture. Our next question is tumbler mixtures function by following mechanism. So here our answer is diffusive. Our next question is which conveyor is used for handling of toxic material? That is our screw. Our next question is in the preparation of smallpox vaccine, the drying process is used, that is our freeze dryer. So in the preparation of smallpox vaccine, the drying process is used is freeze drying. So smallpox, what is our smallpox? Smallpox is our on the surface of our skin there are some small pores, and these are our smallpox. Okay, so for uh, treatment of these smallpox we use vaccine, and this vaccine preparation is occurred by our freeze drying. Okay, our next question is asbestos is used for, so as we know our asbestos is used for our filtration. So here our answer is filtration. Our next question is antibiotic is preferably dried by, I repeat this question, antibiotic is preferably dried by our vacuum dryer. Okay, so here our answer is vacuum dryer which dried our antibiotic. Our next question is metafilter has following advantages. So our metafilter is considerable strength. Our metafilter have considerable strength and withstand high pressure corrosive liquid can be filtered by it, and in our metafilter cake can be easily removed, and our metafilter provide a small surface area for filtration. Our next question is mixing must be done at lower speed for semi-solids as some of the following property is exhibited by semi-solid. So our mixing must be done at lower speed for semi-solid as some of the following property is exhibited by semi-solid. So here our answer is dilatant flow. Our next question is which type of mixture used for ointment formulation? So as we know in our ointment formulation planetary mixtures are used. So here our answer is planetary mixture. So here we completed our 40 question of our pharmaceutical engineering. In next video we are discussing about physical pharmacy. So bye bye, Jai Hind.